Today on Mike Attempts, removing a stuck socket. This is how an impact socket is supposed to go on and off. You shouldn't use non-impact rated sockets on an impact wrench, but I'm sure we all have done it in a pinch. They go on just fine, but sometimes they don't want to come off. It all comes down to how the socket is designed. Standard sockets are meant to be used with ball detent ratchets. So when you put a standard socket on an impact wrench, it can get stuck on the friction ring. Sometimes you can get them off by rotating the socket while pulling out. Or you could try to sneak up on it and quickly yank it off. Standard sockets run the risk of cracking or shattering when used with an impact wrench. If those methods fail, use a narrow flathead screwdriver to compress the ring while keeping outward pressure on the socket. Even though this is an impact-rated socket, the inside shoulder is so low that the friction ring sticks out and is able to fully expand. In this case, the socket can only be removed by compressing the ring. While maintaining outward pressure, trap one edge of the friction ring against the side of the socket and use a screwdriver to compress the opposite side of the ring. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.